Hello everybody and welcome back to another awesome day of modular technology. A couple quick things to get out of the way. Under classwork, just about everybody's got the screenshots from 1, 2, and 3 turned in. We still have several that need the screenshots with your garage that has the roof. So that has to be turned in today. It was due yesterday or the day before. Let's get those caught up and then we'll keep moving. The other thing is, back on the stream today, I have just added this little quiz, and the clip that I'm making right now will be attached underneath. To take the quiz, you need to go to Moodle. If somehow you messed up the Moodle sign-in yesterday, that video is in the stream as well. The quiz is this simple. It's got 5 questions, and it's about logo. Click Attempt Quiz now, and we're training for when we take the quizzes next week. And it's just got simple questions like, which heading would you aim your turtle towards the right side of the screen? Here is a picture of what I'm trying to describe, and then you have to pick from the 4 headings that I've given you. I'm not going to tell you the right ones, but they're that quick, that simple. When you're done, hit Finish Attempt. It'll tell you if you missed one, then go back and fix them, but I'm just going to hit Submit, and I'm going to submit. If you don't get 100%, I want you to take it again. When you do get 100%, then you can get cracking on your lessons. Let's make sure we've got everybody through Activity 6. So next week, maybe Wednesday, we'll be able to turn in our houses and get to work on cooler things in modular technology. Friends, if you like this video, click that like button. If you want to hit subscribe, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day. Let's get to work.